Anthony Tutorials.
In this video, I will show you 2 ways to remove the quantity field from a WooCommerce product page. By default, WooCommerce shows a quantity field or selector on your product pages. While this is a good feature to have, it might not always be needed. Say you are offering clients WordPress support plans, you would want each client to purchase only one plan at a time. Let's see how it's done. Method number 1. Using the option in the product data meta box. To remove the quantity option in WooCommerce, go to your WooCommerce product page in the WordPress dashboard. Scroll down past the editor and you will find the product data meta box. Go to inventory and enable the checkbox near sold individually. Doing so allows only one item to be bought in a single order. Don't forget to update and refresh your product page. The quantity field is now disabled. Method number 2. Using a snippet code or filter to remove the quantity field. Alternatively, you can insert this piece of code into your theme's functions.php file, or in a custom plugin called Code Snippet if you wish. This will remove the quantity field for all your WooCommerce products. Don't forget to update and refresh your product page. Congratulations on remove quantity field from WooCommerce product page. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new videos. Have a great day.